Today, we'll show you how to calibrate the joystick and triggers on the Machenike-G3V2 controller. First, let's start with joystick calibration. You can do this calibration whether the controller is off or connected. Here's how. For joystick calibration, press and hold 3 buttons simultaneously, B plus back plus home buttons. Together, now you'll see the blue LED flashing. Then move the joystick in circles all the way around. Make about 3 full rotations. Slow and steady. Once done, press the start button to save. The controller will power off, which means calibration was saved successfully. Now, reconnect the controller. The joystick is now calibrated. This is how you calibrate a joystick. When your joystick develops slight misalignment or drift, just follow these steps to recalibrate it and restore normal operation. Now let's talk about trigger calibration. Trigger calibration also uses a 3-button combo. Press and hold Y plus back plus home together. Hold all 3 at the same time. You'll see the red light flashing, which means the controller is in trigger calibration mode. Now, press the trigger normally all the way down. Don't press too hard. And press all the way down 3 times. Then press the start button to save. This completes the trigger calibration. Now reconnect and test. If your trigger can't reach full input, or it activates without you pressing it, it's time for a quick trigger calibration to restore normal trigger function. Remember, when calibrating joysticks or triggers, make sure to use normal gentle pressure. This ensures more accurate calibration and avoids abnormal behavior.